Hello YouTube, just want to do a quick video on how I personally went about taking a look at my 2003 GMC Envoy. I had problems with my power steering coolant. It's a 2003 Envoy SLE. Now from my understanding, this right here, what I'm about to show you guys, will work on any GMC as well as Trailblazer trucks. Just a little quick how-to and get you familiar with what's going on once you get your part for your vehicle. Me myself, I believe in, if I can save money, I'll do the work on my own vehicles. Usually there's some literature on how to go about doing it. In this case, with the GMC Envoy for the power steering cooler, I was able to find little to no literature, and I get anxiety. I want to know what type of job I have going moving forward, get an idea. This, I had no idea what to do or how to go about getting started on my project. So real quickly, 2003 GMC once again. Just got through replacing my alternator not too long ago, brand new. Going to take my power steering lines, replace those as well. I got a little hole in there. I had to throw on a little temporary patch. I had to cut this line right here and throw a clamp on it with the little rubber hosing. It's been holding up well, but now my whole power steering cooler just blew up. So this is what I did, guys. Cut to the chase. First thing you're gonna have to do is remove your grill. You have a series of clips, about 8 clips in all. Okay, so what I did was, it's already taken off by the way, just want to show you guys. Took my screwdriver and just each clip went along and just pried my grill back. It's real simple. Then the grill goes up and out. That's out the way. Alrighty. So then the next step was, there's a bunch of these right here. These are pains in the asses, but they're push pins. Alright, so you're gonna have a push pin right there in the middle of your bumper. You're gonna have push pins underneath your bumper cover. There's one push pin over here underneath the bar. I had to take that one out. I had to take this push pin out. And this is like the back of a hammer. If you don't have one of these handy, I went to Harbor Freight. It cost me $5-6. Get yourself a hammer. And from my understanding, it's supposed to do the same thing. Go under it and up and out. It comes right out. It's a nice little handy tool I got. Harbor Freight, $5. So there's a push pin here. There's 2 under each side of the cover. 1, 2, and then there was there's going to be 4 push pins underneath, right up under here, underneath the bumper. Pull those guys out. Then you're going to have 2 screws. I believe they're 8mm. 2 screws on the bumper cover, 8mm. And at least for the Envoy, that's what I did. Trailblazer may be the same, but from my understanding, it's the same, if not similar. There's also going to be 2 little bolts that I'm about to show you. So I had to pull the the bumper cover rather, up, and it came right out. Alright, so be sure when you're taking off the bumper cover, there's going to be this little hinge right here that you have to, pretty much you'll see it's a slide, like a little sliding lock. You slide the cover, pull the cover back, bumper cover back, and up at an angle, and it'll pop right out. Disconnect your bulbs, your fog lights, side turn signals, and you're in business. Alright, now once you get past that part, you can get to the part where I was anxious about, like, where the hell is this power steering cooler? The power steering cooler is going to be right beneath your radiator, your actual bumper, because that's the bumper cover we removed. It's going to be right here. That's the little fucker right there. Alright, so you got 2 13mm bolts. One right here I took out already. One over there on the other side I took out already. Okay, this little cover right here I have in place. All you gotta do is push this up and out, and it comes right out. But I'm waiting for my delivery from Amazon for the replacement cooler, power steering cooler. Amazon should be here tomorrow. I was gonna go to Advanced Auto, but it costs $207 at Advanced Auto as opposed to Amazon where I can get it for $99. Go figure. I hear Rock Auto also has these guys relatively cheap. So again, Once you take your bumper cover off, your power steering cooler is going to be right here. 2 bolts, real simple, 13 millimeter, comes right out. Remove this cover right here. Once I'm ready to remove it, I'm going to take that out, push it up and out. This little fucker's going to fall down. Pop it in. There's going to be 2 hoses attached to your cooler. Get down here. 2 hoses. And the hoses for the cooler line I'm going to have to disconnect when the new one comes in is right, trying to get this camera angle right here, guys. 1 and then 1 on top, 2. So you got 2. I don't know if you can see it. 1, 2. So I'm simply gonna take some needle nose pliers, loosen that up, get this other fucker off, and then I'll be in business. Replace the cooler, I'll be all set. There's one more thing that I'm doing as well while I'm in here. I have a whining noise inside of my power steering pump. So I took out my air filter, took out the washer fluid container. Give me a second. Set it aside. I'm about to finish working on this. This is from yesterday. I just have everything taken out from the side. So bring it back. And I'm about to finish going to work on this power steering pump. I gotta take, there's 2 lines, one underneath where the pressure hose leads into. You also have one that the return line, that's a plastic valve. I've already taken that off. I have the vice grips on that. Simple little push pliers should do. A wrench or whatever, just remove that. Now I have to work on getting the pressure line off. I had to take a break. A little tired yesterday. So yeah, once again, this is not a step by step. I was already in the process of doing this, and I figured since there's so little literature, there may be someone out there as well like me that wanted to have an idea what the hell they're getting themselves into. And to answer your question, the power steering cooler is going to be right beneath the actual bumper, underneath your bumper cover. So hopefully this video helps you guys. It definitely would have helped me. So that's it.